Hello everyone, welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel and this is the art of strengthening. आज से हम बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्कआउट रूटीन शुरू करने जा रहे हैं जिन्हें आपको अपने लाइफस्टाइल का हिस्सा बनाना होगा। इन एक्सरसाइज रूटीन्स को अगर आप रेगुलरली फॉलो करेंगे तो आप अपने फिटनेस गोल्स को डेफिनेटली अचीव कर पाएंगे। आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं हर एक्सरसाइज के रूटीन से पहले फॉलो किए जाने वाला ये रूटीन यानी कि वार्म अप।
Make a fist with each hand and extend your arms out in front of you. Gently rotate the hand in a clockwise motion 10 times and then reverse, rotating the hand 10 times in a counterclockwise motion. Extend one arm in front of you with your palm facing down. Point your hand at the floor by bending your wrist. Don't turn your arm. Apply pressure gently with your other hand until you feel a moderate stretch. Hold this position for 30 seconds and then switch hands. Apply pressure gently with your other hand until you feel a moderate stretch. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Stand in a comfortable position, keep your spine erect, rotate your shoulders anti-clockwise. And then clockwise. Stand in a comfortable position, keeping your spine erect. Bend your elbow and touch your shoulders with your fingers. Rotate both your hands clockwise. And then anti-clockwise. Inhale during the upward movement and exhale during the downward movement. Do this around 5 times on each side. Stand in a comfortable position. Keep your spine erect. Keep both your hands straight above your head. Rotate both hands clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Make sure your hands are straight without bending your elbows. Inhale during the upward movement and exhale during the downward movement. Stand with your legs slightly apart. Your upper body and your head should be in line with each other. During the exercise, your body weight should remain evenly distributed on both your feet. While exhaling, bend the upper body sidewards on both your left and your right side. As you inhale, return to the center. You should avoid leaning forward. Stand with your arms in front. Bend your elbows inwards. Your palms should be facing downwards. Inhale and draw your arms out and come back. Feel your chest and shoulders open up as you take several deep breaths. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Return and repeat. Stand with your arms stretched straight on both your sides. Inhale and draw your arms out and then come back. Feel your chest and shoulders open up as you take in deep breaths. Squeeze your shoulder blades, return and repeat. Place your feet apart in line with your shoulders. Raise your right arm to the side while touching the shoulder of your right hand with your left palm. Swing backwards, accompanied by the movement of your waist and legs, and then repeat the same with your left hand. Keep doing this alternately on both sides. Now raise both arms on one side, swinging them accompanied by the movement of your waist and legs, and then repeat the same alternately on both sides. Place your hands on your hips and keep your head straight. Rotate your hips extensively. Perform this exercise 10 times anti-clockwise. And 10 times clockwise. Place your feet in line with your shoulders. Bend your torso forward 90 degrees. While doing that, exhale. Try and touch your fingers to the ground. Keep your knees straight while performing this exercise. In the same position, raise both your arms straight to the outside. Touch each of your foot with the opposite hand. Perform this exercise extensively on your right and your left side alternately. Keep looking at your hand while you go from side to side. Stand with your legs straight. Place your feet in line with your shoulder. Allow your head to slowly bend backwards so that you can look at the ceiling. Now, allow your head to fall forward so your chin approaches the top of your chest. Now, with your shoulders facing forward, turn your head slowly to the left. Now, with your shoulders facing forward, turn your head slowly to the right. With your shoulders facing forward, allow your head to fall towards your left shoulder so that your left ear approaches the top of your left shoulder. Now, with your shoulders facing forward, allow your head to fall towards your right shoulder so that your right ear approaches the top of your right shoulder. Repeat all the neck flexes. Make sure you don't do any sudden stretches. Pull down gently, keeping your fingers placed on your shoulder, giving it a slight stretch. While you are bending your neck, make sure that there are no jerky movements. Do it slowly and with continuous breathing. Stand with your feet more than your hip width apart. Turn sideways. Your shoulders should be down, toes pointed forward. While inhaling, step forward with one leg and lower your body and make a 90-degree bend with the knee placed forward, making sure that it doesn't go beyond your toe. Keep the back leg straight. Join both hands above your head and help maintain a balance. Let your hips sink down. Switch sides and repeat. Stand with your feet far apart, with your toes pointed 45 degrees outwards. Place your hands forward, parallel to each other, to help you maintain balance. While lunging towards one side, allow the other foot to point upward with its heel on the floor. Hold this stretch. Repeat the opposite leg. Keep your back straight and make sure that you inhale and exhale constantly. Stand straight with your feet flat on the floor. Lift your right foot a few inches off the floor. Rotate your ankle in a circular motion, clockwise and then anti-clockwise, with one leg, and repeat the same with the other leg. Flex your right toe to point your toes towards the ceiling. Then point your foot and toes towards the floor. Repeat this movement with your left leg. Put your body weight on the outside of the foot so that the flat side of the foot is facing the other foot. Then put the body weight on the inner side of the foot so that the upper side is facing the other foot. Repeat the same on the other side. Jump on your toe by alternating your leg in front of your body and repeat. Now jump and bend alternate knees. Try to touch your heel to your hip. Jump as high as you can. Relax your upper body and be light on your toes. Jump and bend your knees in front of your body. Touch your knees to your chest while jumping. Jump as high as you can. Your back should be straight and do not slouch. Remember, you must constantly breathe while doing all these exercises. Jump and bend your knees in front of your body. Touch your knees to your chest while jumping. Jump as high as you can. While doing this, clap with your hands placed under your knees. Your back should be straight and do not slouch. Stand on your toes and jump extensively, forward and backwards. Now repeat the same sidewards. And continue this exercise while twisting your waist.
Hope these exercises help you achieve the targets you've set for your body. It's time for me to sign off. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.